Okay, so ladies, your first lesson is on grip. Now, grip is obviously how we hold this club, and exceptionally important. It's going to control how the club face twists and turns, moves, and importantly, how it makes the ball travel hopefully somewhere towards our target. Now, for right-handers, we're going to talk about the left hand as our lead, and the trail hand is our right hand. For left-handers, please swap that over. First things first, I kind of want you just to grab it. However, when we grab it, we're going to grab it in a certain way. I want your left hand to go on first. Really simple ideas with the left hand. I'd want it more in the base of the fingers, in the knuckles, and then letting the fingers wrap underneath and using the rest of the hand to go on the top, so that the heel pad of this left hand here will be sat on the top. And as we look down, what I would like is I'd like the thumb to be on the right side of the center line, usually shown by a logo or a little kind of dash down the bottom. And I would like a couple knuckles to be seen on the back of that left hand as you look directly down. An absolute no-go for me on grip with the left hand would be one that gets very high in the palm. What will happen then is you will not be able to see a lot of knuckle there. The left thumb will tend to get on the left side of that center line, and there will be some holes forming. As soon as we get holes forming, that grip is not a grip anymore. The club's going to become loose. You're not going to have complete control of it. In the fingers, wrap the hand around, left thumb on the right side, two knuckles at least as you look straight down, left hand done. Right hand, so much easier. Sits underneath the left hand, usually in the second set of knuckles, fingers wrap, and then the rest of the hand sits on top. And then what's quite good with this is that right thumb will sit on top of that left thumb. It will make it disappear almost, ladies. Okay, from there you will see a V. There's a V just forming there between my index finger and my thumb. Now my preference for this V would be to point somewhere up to your right chest area. Okay, once again, too far in the fingers, the hand gets too over and the V points up to the left shoulder, and too into the hand, into the knuckles, that V would be much more to the right. So we want right thumb just over on the left side of the center line, V looking somewhere up towards this right side, and at the minute underneath, no connection. Now underneath, there are three different options for your connections, ladies, okay? There is a baseball grip, like I have right now. No gap between the two hands like that. Snug together, no problem at all. My preference would be if we can join these two hands up. Now we've got an option of an overlap grip, where the little finger of the right hand pops up, rest of the hand slides down, slots on top, called an overlap. Or we've got the interlock. Right little finger lifts up, index finger of the left hand sits up, slot them together and lock them in. All I'd say with the interlock, make sure this finger doesn't get really deep into those knuckles. It will once again then, as you can see now, move this right hand to underneath the grip. Once you've got a grip, all I'd want you to do is, I'd want you to feel that you can lift the club up and down. I'd want you to feel like it can move to the right and to the left, and that it has some twists and turns of the shaft where you can now see that the club face is moving and I'm controlling it. Don't be afraid with these grips to feel like you're having to hold quite tightly. Tight grip does not mean that you can't use your hands. So don't be afraid just to draw some circles, or if you've got some space in the garden, just have some swings. And let that club just feel like it's secure whilst free to move up and down.